well. My mom made me come to the trip. I did not want to go on the trip, but now that I'm here, I actually I like it a lot.
Did your mom make you come?
She did.
I didn't know that.
She did.
So how has your opinion changed?
It has changed drastically. I don't like biology at all, but this is really interesting. I normally don't like biology, but I like this a lot.
And it's an educational, hands-on experience that you will never forget. It's gonna stick with you. And you learn things that you probably wouldn't have learned in normal school. Something I didn't know could be fun, but it helps it, like, when you go see something, you can figure out what it is and it builds those skills. It also builds a lot of teamwork because everybody has to agree on what they think the creature or plant or whatever you're classifying is. And it just teaches you how to like really study something because it's a living creature, so there's so many little things about it that make it different.
Throughout the day, we'd snorkel, we'd search different spots for different creatures, and then we would classify, and then we do lectures. I learned like a bunch about different phylums and classes.
I have definitely grown in my knowledge on marine biology. I came here and I knew nothing, and I feel like I learned a lot about that. And I also feel like I grew a lot in my faith.
And I feel like I have learned a lot more about like science with the Bible. So like that science helps prove the Bible, not the other way around like people at school try to teach us.
If it was just the marine biology, I wouldn't be enjoying it a whole lot, but the community, great community. That's what really made the trip, to be honest. Not just the kids, but also the staff and Mr. Lane himself.
Here is a place that I have felt very at home. The group is very inclusive, and all the people you meet here are going to be lifelong friends.
We're just like a very close-knit community. That's probably something I can't stress enough. So that's something that's definitely like stood out because I've never had that happen before.
You do a lot of work on this trip, but it's fun work, and even when you're not working, it's still really fun. We're always doing stuff, so you never get bored.
Whether or not you succeed with the test or the book experience, the hands-on experience you get is just phenomenal.
It's not that bad. Your mom making you do it, but you're gonna have fun.